In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view trade history in Binance. To begin, open the Binance app on your mobile device and sign in with your account credentials. Once you enter your username and password, you'll gain access to your Binance account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be ready to input that code as well. This step is crucial because it ensures that only you can access your trading information. After signing in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. The app is designed to be user-friendly, and knowing where everything is will help you navigate smoothly. Next, locate and tap on the trade option at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the trading activities take place. You will see various trading pairs and market trends. Tapping on trade opens up a whole new world of trading options and analysis tools. It is important to familiarize yourself with this section because it is the hub for all your trading activities. Once you have tapped on trade, you will see a variety of features that can enhance your trading strategies. From there, find and tap the three-dot menu located right under the hamburger icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. This menu contains several options that allow you to customize your trading experience. Accessing this menu is essential as it provides quick links to your trading history and other account features. After tapping the three-dot menu, you'll be presented with more choices, which will help you drill down into your activity. Now, select History and then tap on Order History. This action will take you to a detailed view of your trading history. Here you can see all the trades you have made, including the buying and selling of various cryptocurrencies. This section is significant because reviewing your order history allows you to analyze your trading patterns and performance over time. It can provide valuable insights that can help you make more informed trading decisions in the future. Next, you can use the filters to choose a specific trading pair, like Bitcoin to Tether or BTC/USDT, as well as a date range for the trades you want to view. By refining your search in this manner, you can easily find specific trades without sifting through irrelevant data. This little adjustment saves you a lot of time and makes your trading analysis much more efficient. Once you have set your filters, be sure to double-check your selections to ensure that you are viewing exactly what you need. If you want to download your trade history for offline access or record keeping, tap the download icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon looks like a square with an arrow pointing downward. Downloading your trade history is useful for keeping track of your investments and financial performance. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain a detailed account of your trading activities. After tapping the download icon, you will be prompted to select the data type, account, time range, and format for your download. Make sure to choose the appropriate options that best fit your needs. Carefully selecting this information ensures that you download the most relevant data. Once you have made your selections, proceed by generating the download. You will see a confirmation appear on the screen, giving you peace of mind that your data is now securely saved. With that done, you have successfully learned how to view and download your trade history in Binance. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few taps. By following these steps, you can keep track of your trading activities efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy trading.